Up next, we have lovely Susan here. Hi, Susan.
Hi, Rachel.
Welcome to our Kitchen County. So, Susan, what bothers you about your skin?
My crow's feet and my laugh lines. And
I think you have beautiful laugh lines, and I love crow's feet. I think that they're very sassy on women. And it shows that you have a happy life, by the way.
Yes, I do. I'm very lucky.
But a lot of women, and there's a million creams out there that charge a fortune to help us out with this. A lot of women have this issue. So what would we do at the fridge that you think truly works?
So chemical peels are very popular to tighten up the skin. And what I have here is an at-home chemical peel. And the most popular chemical peels are the alpha hydroxy acid peels, AHA. You may have seen that in products as well.
Absolutely.
And they're fruit acids, basically. Acids that if you put on the skin, it causes the skin to exfoliate, tightens up the skin, improves the fine lines. But they cost a lot of money. They can cost anywhere from $60 to over $100 just for a peel in a med spa.
Right.
So now you can do it actually at home for pennies.
Okay.
And that's what we're going to do. So we're going to take a few things out of the fridge, including regular milk.
Gotcha.
And apple juice.
I think I have some measured here. You want me to mix these together?
So we have 2 tablespoons of apple juice mixed with 2 tablespoons of milk. And this is not soy milk, this is regular milk, and an egg white. And I'll have you separate that if you don't mind. Now, by combining all these things, we can get a mask for her that will help to tighten up her skin. And this is both for kind of a quick, instant tightening as well as long term.
Whip this up?
Yep, let's whip it up nice and, you go ahead. So you want to try to whip it really well so that you don't get any of these chunks of egg white.
Does this make me a nurse now? Because I'm whipping up for a
Close
doctor.
enough. We'll get you on some gloves and some scrubs on. Okay, that should be pretty good. So you want to whip it up nicely so you don't have chunks of egg whites. And we're going to apply it to her skin.
We wouldn't put chunks of egg whites on you. Okay.
You want me to do that?
There you go, doctor.
Right. So we're going to go ahead and apply this to her skin. Now, there's a lot of benefits here. So the apple juice has malic acid in it, and the milk has lactic acid in it. And both of these are alpha hydroxy acids.
No kidding.
Yep, and so this gives you that kind of at-home
Don't you feel
AHA
stupid
peel.
now when you buy the $100 thing and the AHA code for apple juice and milk?
So that creates that gentle exfoliation. Now you put this on the skin. You want to leave it on for a good 20 minutes, let it dry.
Susan, what does that feel like? Does it feel sticky or refreshing
no, it
or
feels
what?
cool, refreshing.
Really?
Yeah, it does.
And the egg whites have albumin in it. Albumin will actually dry. You want this to dry, so you let it dry for a good 20, 25 minutes, and it will dry and tighten up your skin. It's like shrink wrap for your face. You do it once, twice a week, as long as your skin is tolerating it, and gradually you're going to notice the wrinkle, the fine lines are going to improve, the skin's going to be tighter.
You were saying it was 6 to 8 weeks for the spots. How long before you notice a difference in your wrinkles?
Well, this you can notice right away from that immediate effect, but the AHAs will take a little bit longer, and it really depends on how bad your skin is.
Gotcha.
You know, somebody like you, you've got really nice skin, you're going to notice the results very quickly. Other people, you know, you got people who
Depends how deep the wrinkles are.
Yeah, the people who I see a lot, the postal people, where they're out in the rain, sun, sleet, and all that, I mean, they get a lot of damage, and so that takes much, much longer.
But these things you believe truly work. Natural remedies.
And they cost pennies, and you can just take it from your fridge.
Love it.